Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the error that comes up within Stremio or the Stremio app. I think it is Stremio, the movie streaming app. Basically Apple have revoked the signature for this app. It's a movie streaming app basically, and you should be seeing a similar error to this every time you try and open it, which is malware blocked and moved to bin and it can't be opened. So essentially Apple have revoked the developer's license for this application. They removed the signature, so all you need to do is actually replace it to be able to open the app. So as you can see, it's moved to the bin automatically and it can't be opened. So if I just empty the bin, and what you need is the ARM file, so the ARM64, which looks like this when you download it directly from the website. And it's important you follow these steps. So you need to drag the actual application into the applications folder. You can see it's down here now in the applications. Do not open it. What you need to do is open your terminal window, go to the description of the video and copy this set of commands here. And all you need to do is paste them directly into the terminal window. Now, it should ask for your password, if obviously with the sudo command. If I click enter, it's asking for my password, and this password is essentially just the password you use to log into your MacBook. So if I just type that now, there we go, replacing existing signature. And once you can type a new command, that's basically it, it's all done. If you go to the actual application and double click on it, and there you go, it's opening. So hopefully that did help you. If you've got any problems with this, let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to help. But that's pretty much it. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.